guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening Hot Wheels Bulldoze Blast. Wow, look at that bulldozer. That's one strong, mighty machine. It also has a car. Drop down the ramp. Watch out for flying debris. Launch from the truck. Race to safety. Let's open it up and check it out. Check out that mighty machine. He even has wheels so he can move. Check out this really cool Hot Wheels car. Wow, look at all these fun monster trucks at the stadium! Yay! Can you hear the crowd cheering? Let's take him out and check him out. It's Metal Mulisha! Here's the latest Gravedigger winner! Here we have the past Gravedigger. Here we have Maximum Destruction. And finally, Madusa. Here comes Gravedigger. Gravedigger won the World Finals in 2004, 2006, and 2010. I love the bright green and look at all the flames. He's a 4-time champion. He also won in 2016 with a newer version of his vehicle. There he is. Wow! You can see it's really similar, except that one has a lot of green and one has a lot of orange. Wow! It's so cool! Our next vehicle is Madusa. He won the World Championships in 2005. Let's take a look at his truck. There's a big M on the hood. And on the top it says Medusa Farewell Tour. I love all the stars. He's a 2-time champion. Here's Max D. This is Maximum Destruction. Wow, check out that face. And look at all the armor. I love the fire streak. He's an 11-time champion. His latest victories were in 2009, 2011, and 2012. The last vehicle in the set is Metal Mulisha. He's number 38. He's a 2-time champion. His latest victory was in 2015. Wow, I love the skull with the army hat on. He's ready to take down the competition. I can't wait to see these World Final Champions in action. It's Madusa. He's ready for his freestyle run. Let's see how he does. Yay! He did it! Medusa's had a great run! Let's see what the other monster machines can do! Here comes Gravedigger! Wow, what a fun run from Gravedigger! It looks like Metal Mulisha has gotten stuck! Oh my! Let's see how that affects the exhibition! Here comes Max D! Max D knocked Metal Mulisha right up so he can ride again. Max D has had a great race. Let's see who's next. It's the new Gravedigger. Let's see how his exhibition goes. Whoa, he did it! Great job, Gravedigger! Ho-ho! I love these monster trucks. They're so much fun to play with. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.